What it is, people? Bobadilla Adventures here. I'm here with my friend
Panelli.
She has many names. Diamond what? Diamond Soriano. She's a really good singer. And oh yeah, you do flowers, right? Anything you need with flowers?
Multitasking.
So right now we're gonna talk about business. We're going to eat to this restaurant with George. Tortas ahogadas. Let's see how good it is. Guys, we just got here. Let's see. I already came to this restaurant. My friend haven't. She wants to try it. I know it's good. So let's go.
¿Cuál es esto?
Sí.
Descarte su jugo, es un plato.
My friend is pregnant and she wants to eat everything. Everything in this restaurant.
Son dos ahogadas con los discos, jugo de botella, no me. ¿Cuál es esto?
Sí.
Descarte su jugo, es un plato.
All right, we already ordered. We ordered tortas ahogadas of carnitas, pork. So it's authentic Mexican music, Mexican food from Guadalajara. So let's try the torta. This place is nice. It's really, really nice. But like I said, my friend wants to finish everything right here in this restaurant.
Es que yo como por dos ahorita.
No, yo estoy viendo que comes por 4. Qué cosas. A ver, ¿y cuál es tu plan? A ver.
¿Mío?
Sí, para las fotos. Let's see if we can finish it. Tell the people, what do you think about the food?
100%.
So freaking delicious. It's big recommendation. That's and it's not expensive. It's, man, till right now one of the best I've tried. Authentic Mexican food from Guadalajara, Jalisco.
Mexico.
Viva Mexico, cabrones! Yes, so you guys need to come right here. Yeah, y'all check it out and put it on the down below. So see you guys next time. And
Cuando vengan a Phoenix, que se una vuelta por Tolleson.
Yep. It's here in Tolleson, Arizona.
Los llevo.
This is the school I used to. Eso no es- Like I always say, guys, dreams, cause dreams comes true. See you in the next video.